A tag reading camera flags a blue Chevy truck stolen out of Jacksonville. Troopers spot it on State Road 228, and when they try to catch up, the driver accelerates. Flees across back roads, then jumps onto US 301. A PIT sends it into the opposite lanes, but the driver recovers and keeps running. Spike strips flatten both right side tires. The truck slows, but it's still heading toward a busy intersection near I-95. The trooper makes his decision.
door!
Passenger, grab the outside of that door handle! Reach
Open the door now!
Open the
The maneuver sends the truck into the tree line, disabling it for good. Troopers and deputies move in and take both occupants into custody without incident. The driver has no valid license and is booked into the Nassau County Jail. Another stolen vehicle stopped before it reached heavy traffic. An off-duty Detroit police officer is fired upon while driving his personal vehicle. He gets the license plate and sends it to dispatch. Hours later, Michigan State troopers spot the suspect car and move in.
Over 10 miles. Being dispatchers, everybody thank you for your assistance. Be safe. Thank you, dispatcher. One more to you. Back north, you can try to go. Go to 9 miles. Okay, 1 minute. Ready to check? Yes, 20, maybe you had it on the sign right now.
Alright, I'll call it northbound telegraph coming up to 9 miles. Speed's about 60. Medium traffic still. So going eastbound 9 mile. Check that, still northbound. Still northbound. Disregard coming up to heavy traffic. Coming up to 7 mile.
Approaching 7 miles, going through the red light. Speeds are 70. He's committing to southbound Southfield Flowers. 7 miles. Heavy traffic. 7 miles south. Doesn't specify by the plan.
The suspect pushes hard, trying to break away. Troopers close in, coordinating with MSP's K-9 team and emergency support team.
Committing southbound to Greenfield. Speeds are 55. Traffic is medium.
Hands up! You move, I'm gonna kill you! Don't move! Keep your hands up! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! Someone break out the window.
Let me see your hands! Keep your hands up! Keep your
Break out
hands
the driver
up!
window. Break out driver window. Break out driver window. Driver window. Driver window. I got him. Driver. You both just fucking hands.
I'm scared! Don't shoot me! Please, let me
Alright, he's coming out. Get hands over here.
Go!
All right.
They're coming.
Alright. More hands right here. Right in front of my car. Right in front of my car. Hands in front of my car.
Just watch your hands. Watch your hands.
I got it. It's in the car. Secure.
Just keep your hands on that dashboard. Don't
The vehicle spins to a stop, and troopers take the suspect into custody. The firearm used in the original shooting is found on his person. A dangerous gunman, captured before he could hurt anyone else. A trooper stops a vehicle for driving without headlights. Instead of pulling over, the driver circles a gas station and then floors it out of the lot.
Or 818.
1037.
Yeah, direct G23.
What's this 20?
Increment extended.
GBI.
TVI 818. Ingram southbound. With the shooting. It's going to be in pursuit at Ingram, southbound.
Took a lot of credit in the project.
It's going to take a left in the project.
TBI again. He's staying on the gas right now. I've got him pinned. Heading back to Ingram.
Heading back to Ingram, 820.
The vehicle accelerates through West Memphis neighborhoods, blowing stop signs and hitting 70 miles per hour. The trooper tries multiple pits, each slowing the suspect but never fully stopping him. Another TVI forces him toward an apartment complex. He cuts through the entrance, and the trooper pins him before he can flee again.
You didn't put it in fucking park! Look at me! Put it in park!
Got another TBI. We're going back to Ingram.
TBI heading back to Ingram, 821.
They're still on pursuit, headed back towards Ingram.
We're over here in these apartments now.
At the apartments now.
Show me your hands! Hey! Stop! 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 No! Stop driving!
The driver refuses to exit, locking the doors and ignoring officers. Windows are struck, tools break, and commands continue. Only when officers begin breaking rear windows does he finally crack the door open. He's pulled out, proned out, and taken into custody. Florida troopers are alerted to a wanted suspect with multiple felony warrants, driving a black Mercedes SUV through Broward County. When troopers move in for a stop, the driver refuses to pull over. A pursuit begins.
That's BSO as well. 95 South.
We good to stop him. We don't get
Now just make TC road. Now I went northbound. Fuck, I went south. Look, the other you. Fuck me. Oh, no. Alright, I'm myself, boys. Northbound coming to Sunrise. Catch up.
Alright, that's the turn lane. Right, fall in, stop. Turn lane. Waiting for to turn out, guys.
Mercedes flees down Sunrise Boulevard, driving aggressively and ignoring traffic. A first PIT attempt fails. The SUV spins, and the driver bails out, leaving a passenger to take the wheel. The vehicle regains control and continues westbound at speed.
Light on 16.
I'm ready.
Follow.
I'm right there. I'm off the energy. We'll call it. I'm at HP right here behind me, and they're coming back up.
Oh, I see the car. Hey.
There's a car right in front of me right now.
Okay, yeah, that's the one. Wait out there. That one in front of you is BSO.
Watch out. It's right there.
To the other side. Pin him to the other side. Be careful, be careful.
Careful! If there's any additional units in the area, by 95 and Sunrise for respond now.
Roll over. We gotta run over. Run over.
Troopers rush in and order the occupants out at gunpoint. All 3 suspects surrender. Inside the SUV, officers recover 3 firearms. The suspects are transported, medically cleared, and booked into the Broward County Jail. The driver tries to outrun Arkansas State Police, ignoring lights, sirens, and every warning to stop. He's about to learn why that's a bad idea.
Passing the 2B.
Medium traffic. Still heading westbound, coming up on exit 3, 884, medium traffic. At Woodrow and Landon heading northbound, TBI was unsuccessful. Woodrow now, ASP TBI.
Oh, no. We ain't going everywhere.
TBI unsuccessful, continuing northbound.
The suspect weaves through traffic, pushes high speeds, and refuses to slow down. The trooper stays locked in, waiting for the perfect moment.
Long Little and northbound, speed 60. No traffic. ASP TBI.
Shut it off! Shut it off! Turn the car off! Turn it off! Put your hands up! Put on the roof! Hold them there!
A pit sends the suspect spinning, bringing the chase to an abrupt end. The driver is taken into custody moments later.